Hi! In front of me is HUAWEI Nova 9, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. Start by going into settings and choosing apps over here. Then go into permission manager and pick one of your phone's features, like location. Then pick one of your apps, for example gallery, and select one of the options. Allow only while in use or deny. I will go with allow, so when I go back I can see that gallery just gained access to my device location while I'm using it. But you can also tap on one of your apps. Over here select see all gallery permissions and manage them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!